Hi all. Today we'll go and see how can we install Datadog agent on Windows Server. So I'm currently on EC2 instance. So I'll create a new, I'll launch a new instance for Windows. I'll give some name, Windows. Just I give Windows host. Okay. Then I'll select Windows Server. I'll keep as it is, free tier eligible. Then I'm micro T3 micro is enough. Here key pair, I already created a key pair for Windows. You have to create a dot, for example, if you click create new key pair, then it will come here. You can give name and click on dot pem. Dot ppk suitable for Linux, but dot pem is good for Windows. Okay, so you create new key pair. I already created, so I select my key pair here, then come here. No need to do any changes here, but here in firewall rule you select already default group I have, so I selected. And see in when you select your group, maybe SSH and HTTPD, those things should be allowed. Okay. You, for practicing purpose, you just give all traffic allow, so that it will not restrict you anything, but in your organizations you should not allow all traffic. Okay. Okay, so for configuration storage, so configure storage 30 is there, let it be. We don't want to do any changes here, so I'll launch instance. So it will take me 5 minutes. Let me check here. Instances, so initializing, so it will take some time to complete. Meanwhile, what we will do, we'll go to Datadog website and we will try to take the commands. See here, I came to Datadog website. So here I'm just searching here install agent. So if you select install agent, so it will show you host based. So I'm selecting Windows host based. API key, already we created one API key. If you want, this will be by default, it will be there, but I create my API key. I selected. See here, the beauty of here in window, infrastructure monitoring already included. If you want to enable APM monitoring, then we could enable it. What is APM? We will discuss in upcoming classes. So as of now, I'll leave as disable. Then here they have given command. So in installation, three types of modes of installations are available. One is PowerShell. Directly you can copy. See when you select IP here, your ID, that ID will be reflecting here. Okay. So this is your API key, correct? That API key will be reflected here automatically. So just you copy and run it on PowerShell session as an administrator. Second, you have installer, so you can download this installer. After that, you could while installing, it will ask you the key and region. You can give it, it will work. Or else Choco package. So in your organization, if you have Choco is nothing but it is something called a repository. In Linux we have yum repository, correct? So like that, here you have Choco. So Choco also you can copy, and if you want, you can, if Choco is available in your server, then you can run this particular command on every server wherever you want. So we will take installer actually. Okay. And if you are comfortable, you can go and copy paste this and execute it, but I'll go and install. Why I'm taking install in the sense, installer in the sense, it will, when you copy and paste, you could see the installing, and it's asking name, and it will ask API key, all those informations. Okay. Now we'll go our instance and we will see whether it is started or not. So refresh. Okay, it started. Okay. So in Windows, to connect, we need RDP client, correct? We'll connect via RDP client, or else via console also we can do, but we don't want, I don't want to go via console. So here I have a IP address. You can take a public IP address of the server also, but you can log in via DNS as well. So we have this IP address or DNS name to log in the server. Username we have. We don't have password, correct? So click on password and update private key. Here select your perm file so that you will get uh, decrypt password so that you will get password. Okay. So I'll take this password. I'll store it somewhere. Uh, so sticky notes. No need leave it. I'll I'll store it in Notepad. Sorry, it came Notepad. So I'll store it here. Okay. So I save my password. Now we will access via RDP. Open your system. So in your system you have remote desktop connections, correct? Click on that and you copy this public DNS and connect. It will ask user name administrator or administrator. Then you have to copy this password. Okay, I think this is the password. Okay, so I pasted password. Something is wrong. Let me take this password again. So okay, okay, I'm able to log in. So session is loading. So first, what you need to do here, internal blocking is there inside every server, new server in on Windows. What is that? IE download will be IE download disabled by default. You have to enable it. Why? Because it prevent your system to download anything from outside. So if you want to download any software or any exe file or any MSI, if you want to download, then you have to disable that option. Okay, let me it is loading. So for that, go to click on server manager, open the server manager. It's bit slow, please bear with me. So server manager, local server. Click on local server. Here, see, IE security configuration is no, sorry, on. Okay, so you have to make it off, at least for administrator. Other user let it on. So I'll off for administrator so that we could download and run smoothly whatever we want from the browser. Okay, I'll close this. Then I'll open browser. Microsoft Edge is there. I'll open it. Meanwhile, I'll go to my Datadog page. So here in the Datadog, so I need to download this .msi. So copy link address. Go here. It is still not loading. Operating uh, browser. Uh, this pin. Okay. So I'll go to search bar. I'll go to search bar and I'll paste link. Press enter. Windows agent. I enter. See here, Windows agent downloaded. I'll go to that download path. So here you have your file, installer file. So double click on it. Prepare to install. Click next. I accept the term and license. Next. Datadog agent. Okay, next. So it is asking API key, right? So this is what you are handshaking. So I copy this API key and paste here. Next, it will ask data where do you need to send your data, correct? So here U5, this is the same region we selected for Linux as well, correct? So we'll select the same region. So don't select different region for each and every host. Okay, select same region. Then next, it is asking username and password. Okay, um, I don't want to select anything. Yes, I'm giving blank. Install. Okay, so Datadog agent has been installed. One of the beauty of Windows installation is you will have the client manager here, so that you could see the status. You could check config, and you can restart as well. So once it is installed, normally what we will do, we will go to services and we will check whether the service is running or not. Correct? So I'll close this page. See, backend you got. Okay. See here, you got it. Um, Datadog Agent Manager. This is one of the good feature in Windows. So just you type localhost 5002. You no need to go to service manager, and you no need to check whether the service is running or not. All those things you can directly change each and any host. You log in that particular Windows host and run localhost 5002 or 127.0.0.0 colon 5002, so that you will get all the information. So this is agent info and host name, all these informations you are getting. Okay. And here you have logs, this log related all informations you can see here itself. And you have settings, and see, in the settings you are getting configuration file itself. In Linux, what where we have, and Datadog, inside the Datadog folder. Here also in the C drive, I will show you where it is located. But quickly, if you want to see your configuration file, you can come and see here. Okay. And here, if you want to change the host name, you can go and change here. If you change it, it will change and it will show you. Same like here also, see here tags. Whatever we did in Linux, same things are there. You could change these tags. So I will change it to Windows. Okay. I'll change it to Windows. We will see. Save it. So restart the agent. So once you restart the agent, what will happen? It will restart, and those changes will be reflected into there. Unable to connect to Datadog agent. Please ensure it is running. Okay, it is restarting, and Datadog agent is running. Okay. Or else, see, normally if you want to see the service related, then we will open these services. There we will see whether the service is running or not. Correct. Okay, here in the services, you could come and see Datadog. See here, Datadog agent installer service. This is for installing process agent and security agent and trace agent. See, you have four agents totally: Datadog agent, Datadog agent, process agent, and security agent, and trace agent. Okay. So if you want to restart anything, you could restart only Datagraph agent. You click on restart or stop and start. You can do that, and here automatically, so that by default it is selected automatically, so that next time when you reboot, automatically the service will be started. Okay. Now we'll go and check in my Datadog end whether it is reflecting or not. Okay, I'm coming here, select, see two hosts it is showing me. Now I'll go to the host. When you click on host, it is showing Windows host. It is showing host name something different. So we just now we changed and we restarted the Datagraph agent, Datadog agent. So what happened? It will take some time to reflect. As of now, just I'm clicking here. So metric collection has been started. Next container, no, nothing is there. Processor, nothing, no, not started. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll open this in different broad dashboard. Okay. Here you could see that length and disk length, memory and CPU utilization. Okay, and you have a disk usage by device. See, 24 GB something is there, that is C drive. Only one drive is there, 24 GB. Network traffic you could track, which um, uh, port, which how much traffic is going. All these informations you can see here. Okay, and memory as well. See, memory breakdown. Okay, CPU utilization, queue length. But here also, if you see, there is no process monitoring it. Correct? You see, no process monitoring. So what we need to do, if we want, we have to enable it. Okay. So I'll go to host map as well. See here, we have two hosts. Correct? So this is my Linux host and this is my Windows host. Okay, so two hosts we have. If you see here, tags are nothing. Here we have tags. Why? Because in new this one we have not added any tags. So now you can play with the tags here. So tag when dev is sorry, environment, when environment is dev, I need only only that, so it will show you only Linux. Okay, if you are removing that, it will come here. So like this you could attach tags and you could filter and you could apply whatever you want to do, or you could see, or you could create a dashboard, whatever you want. Here you could create your new this one also. What is your view? For example, you are filtering only your servers. In organization you will have hundreds, thousands of servers, correct? So you can create here views and you can filter only your servers, or you could filter only database servers, front end servers. Like this also you could filter based on the tagging. This is the advantage of tagging. Okay, so we'll do one more thing. We'll check whether that name has been changed or not. Why? Because name changing will take some time. uh, Okay, so here we did the changes and we restarted. It is reflecting. Mm, but if you want to do changes in configuration file, so this is what your configuration file. If you go and see in the folder, so normally it will not show you. Due to security reason, these folders has been hidden. See here in C program I'm going. So this is the path, correct? C and program data and Datadog, correct? So C program files and Datadog. Datadog. So inside the Datadog, if you see here, it is showing only Datadog agent. It is not showing you datadog.yaml, correct? So for that, what we need to do, we can directly copy and we can go here and we could open from this navigation bar. So when you click, so what happened? It will open. So if you see config D, inside this config D, you will have all the uh, integration files, all those things you can see here. Okay, and so your configuration file C program datadog.yaml. So inside the datadog YAML is there, correct? So inside the datadog YAML. So this is the file. Okay, so this is the your configuration file. Here you could do changes and you could do whatever you want, like what we did in Linux, same thing you can do it. Okay, so now I'm just going and I have changed here host, correct? Same like I will enable process. Okay, so to enable process, okay, I'll add some tag. So this one I will ask uh, environment is something called prod. Okay, next I will give one more. I'll remove this two. So here also one two. Mm, okay. So environment prod, then one more tab. I'll add tire, TIER. Just I'll give backend. Okay. Uh, yeah, I'll give backend because Windows servers will work on front end most probably most of the times. Okay. So here host name I'm going to change. It is okay. We have not changed this. Okay. Last time we have not removed the command. Just we change the Windows. Okay. Now I change the host name and after that I'll restart my agent. You will see. Okay, we have changes the tags and host name. Now we'll go and check whether it is reflecting or not. Normally it will take some time to you. Okay, so I'm going here and just have to refresh. After 2 hours, this old name will go up. Now we'll open and check whether my taggings has been applied or not. Host. If you see here, my tags came here, infra, backend, all those things. Metric collections, I'm going and checking. So okay, so module it is unable to impact. We'll see. We'll restart and we'll fix it later. So now I'm able to see the metric collections here for Windows. Okay, so tag has been added and hostname has been changed. Okay, now what we will do, we'll go and enable the process monitoring as well and check why, because here there is no process, correct? So I'll go here and I'll take settings. In the settings we will come here under process monitoring. So if you see this file, it will be first basics and advanced configuration. After that it will come for log monitoring, see trace collection configuration, uh, log collection configuration. See here process collection. Okay, so here process collection configuration, this is where we need to enable it. So go and enable process config. Okay, uh, so I save it again. I'll restart the agent. Okay, restart done. So we'll come and check here. So PID it's not started. I'll pause this for 1 minute. It started. Even though not it's not taken 10 seconds. Process monitoring we're able to see. Okay. So like the how I explained you in Linux, same things we can do all the things here. On if you open host dashboard, then you can create your own dashboard by using filters, or if you want to see any other configurations, all those things you can do that. Same like Windows. Okay, so this is how we could install, and we could enable process monitoring. We could add tags, we could change the host name, all those things. Okay, thank you so much.